Welcome to Make Academy with AI Automation Elite.
Welcome to Make Academy with AI Automation Elite. In this video, we're going to dive into the exciting world of automation. You'll learn what automation is, discover the power of Make.com, see how it can transform the way you work, and get an insider tour of Make.com's interface. Get ready. This is where your automation journey begins. Let's start with the basics. What is automation? Simply put, automation uses software to perform tasks and processes, taking over some or all of the manual effort involved. For example, think of a kettle that automatically shuts off when the water reaches the right temperature. That's a form of automation in action. It saves time, reduces errors, and lets you focus on more important work. So where does Make.com come in? Make.com is a no-code automation platform, meaning you don't need to know how to code to use it. It allows you to easily build and automate tasks, workflows, and entire systems all from one place. With this simple visual interface, you can connect apps and automate processes without a single line of code. It's designed to make automation accessible and powerful for everyone. In this video, we're introducing you to Make.com and giving you a tour of its interface. So if you have an account, log into the account. If not, you can click Get Started Free and sign up. Once you log into your Make.com account, you'll land in your organization workspace. Remember, you can manage multiple organizations under a single account, each with its own team members, workspaces, and scenarios. This is especially handy if you have multiple projects or clients. On the left-hand side, you'll see the menu. This is your hub for accessing all the functions outside of your scenario. We'll cover this in more detail in another video, but for now, let's focus on the scenario builder. To explore the scenario editor, click on Create a new scenario in the top right corner, this purple button over here. In the scenario editor, you'll notice a plus button. This big plus sign purple circle with the plus sign on it. Click on it. It reveals a wide range of apps that Make.com supports. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if you're looking for something specific. But for now, just take note of the possibilities. There's tons of possibilities. Now let's move on to an important feature, and that is testing your scenario. The Run Once button in the bottom left corner allows you to execute your scenario to make sure everything works as expected. You can also schedule when and how often your scenario runs with the schedule toggle button over here and this scheduling setting down below. Next to the scheduling settings, you'll find various controls, including save, to save your scenario, the scenario settings for advanced options. You got notes for adding reminders and any notes you want to take for future reference. You have auto align to tidy up your layout, because the more and more advanced your builds are, it can get more complicated to see how everything is flowing, and this can just auto align things to make things a little bit more tidy on the dashboard. And then you also have explain flow, which can give you access to show how your data is traveling through your scenario. Then you have more, where you can export a blueprint, import a blueprint, and revert to previous versions. After that, you have the tools section here. This section offers you additional functions like routers, variable retrievers, and it's categorized into flow control, tools, and a text parser. As you build your scenario, your favorites area will populate with frequently used apps, making the future builds quicker and more efficient. Lastly, in the bottom right corner, you'll find AI Beta. It's a chatbot that helps you create scenarios, troubleshoots issues, and helps you learn more about Make.com. That's a wrap for this video. Now that you're familiar with Make.com's interface, you're ready to start creating your own scenarios. In our next video, we'll guide you through the process of creating and saving a scenario. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. See you next time.